Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open a specific page or set of pages in Brave browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select this one settings option. In Brave settings, on the right side under Get Started section, under On a Startup, check this one option. Open a specific page or set of pages. By default, it will be set to open the new tab page. That means whenever you will open Brave browser, it will open a new tab. This is the default setting, and you can change it to the this one. Open a specific page or set of pages. Then click on this one Add a new page button, then type your website address you want to open. When Brave browser starts, then click on this one add button to add more web pages. Again click on this one add a new page button. Now type next one address, then click on this one add button. Like this you can add several pages. After that, to test it, just close the Brave browser and reopen it on your Windows PC, and it will open those pages that you have set to open with Brave browser on your Windows PC.